Gama lami ngixolile Simelane.
My name is Swaziland.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthola iFlax yangisida kakhulu empilweni yami.
The Flax really helped me in my life, and thank you so much for it.
Ngisengayitholi benginesikhumba sami besisibi kakhulu nje ngiweak kwamina.
Before the Flax, my skin had some rash and I was weak.
Ngase ngithola le Flax ke umehluko impela waba mkhulu ngoba ne CD4 yami beyehle kakhulu ingakhuphuki.
And my CD4 count wasn't going up before I get the Flax, yet I was taking ARVs.
Beyona nje i-CD4 yami beyithi 91 but nje nginele ukuthola le Flax ngibela ngathi nangiyochecka ngakhanza ikhuphuke kakhulu.
Yabanga nani?
Yathi 306.
And before I took the Flax, I had a CD4 count of 91. After the Flax, I went to the doctor. Then my CD4 count went up to 306.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngicela ukuthi bonke abantu bangalivula phela lolusito. Ngathi singalikhuthalela kuyasita kakhulu mbe.
I wish everyone can take the Flax because it really helps and it boosts the CD4 count.
How do you feel now? Energy levels?
Nyalo nginemandla kakhulu ngisho didangeka khona kungishaya ucela le.
Now I have a lot of strength and I feel fit.